Hey everyone, welcome to TechBase. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add items or products on Wishlist on Mango. If you want to organize your desired items in one place, making it easier to keep track of what you want, then this video might be helpful. So, let's get started. First, launch open your Mango application. Now, make sure you're under search option. Now, search for the item that you would like to keep on Wishlist. Now, to add items or products on Wishlist, tap on the heart option, which is right beside product name. And this is how you can add items or products on Wishlist on Mango. Thanks for watching TechBase. If you like this video, hit the like button and drop a comment with any questions or feedback. If you are new, subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated on the future videos.